Celebrations this time of year. Big season of giving, right? You know, we're talking about Santa and the reindeer. He's traveling all over the place right now. He's got a lot of ground to cover. But the big question is do reindeer actually exist? Okay, so we've sent our investigative reporter Jim Haggerty on a mission to do so. Jim, what have you found?
What I found was an answer that came straight from the reindeer's mouth, because reindeer do, in fact, exist. Meet Dancer. That's right, Dancer, a female caribou who spends her time at Williams Tree Farm in Rockton, Illinois. Because she's domesticated and lives here with a host of other animals, she's known as a reindeer. That's right, reindeer are domesticated caribou, a species of deer that live in northern Europe, Asia, Greenland, and of course Alaska and Canada here in North America. In the wild, caribou are, well, wild. Here on this rural Illinois farm, Dancer, the reindeer, has a rather unique existence.
She is a big help around here for Santa. She definitely helps keep the Christmas spirit alive, and she keeps our kids very entertained.
Children from all over the state line visit Dancer and learn all about what makes her a reindeer and other facts, like how reindeer are covered in hair from their nose all the way to the bottom of their feet. Kids are also let in on a little secret about Dancer.
We notice her missing every year around the 24th, but she always shows back on the 26th.
Female reindeer, called cows, grow antlers along with males, which are known as bulls. It's a unique trait because in most other species of deer, only males have antlers. Both bulls and cows grow their antlers at the same time. However, bulls drop theirs in November and start growing them again in spring. Cows keep their antlers throughout the winter. General facts about caribou are good for children to know, but when visiting Dancer, kids are more interested in something else.
Well, they know reindeer as Santa's helpers, so to them, like, they're visiting the reindeer before Santa needs them to help deliver presents.
State Line resident Jonathan Ulrich has seen caribou in the wild, and while he's never seen one fly, he says they're quite stealthy and would likely have no problem pulling a sleigh full of toys.
They can leap pretty far. One caribou can probably pull quite a bit of a load.
In North America, caribou live in parts of Alaska and Canada. They eat and travel in herds that range from 10 deer to a couple 100,000.
How about that? All right, we got our local reindeer expert, our reindeer extraordinaire, Jim Haggerty. Jim, what was the thing that surprised you the most about the reindeer?
Well, I mean, what surprised me about this one, I guess it shouldn't be a surprise, and that is Dancer mysteriously disappears for a couple of days.
Yeah, no, I was going to say that I feel like she's got to get pretty busy that time of year.
Absolutely, yes, and the kids just find her back on the 26th, and she's as if she never left.
Interesting. Well, this was a big mission, of course, because we were trying to figure out, do reindeer exist? So we put our #1 man on it, and you've delivered for us.
Now we know.
You're an expert. What is the next animal that we're going to chase down after?
Well, I don't know. We're waiting for all the festivities at Williams Tree Farm to conclude for the year. There's a fireworks display this week and all of the festivities. I believe Santa's there 2 more times this year. So everybody's preparing, but they're also winding down because, as you know, the second Christmas is over, Santa's right back at it.
That's exactly right. How are you getting ready for Christmas?
Well, last-minute gifts,
you are.
Things like that, yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm hanging out with reindeer, I don't have a lot of time on my hands.
That's very, very true. You're a man on a mission at all times. It's tough. You got to settle down here before the holidays.
That's right.
Jim, we appreciate it.